work for the company a bit longer than Alexander. So I would like to tell you a couple words about operational business, and then my colleagues will continue with some details. I will tell about our results in 2023 and our plans for 2024. So in 2023, we achieved quite good results, actually. Our revenue was increased on 18%. Our net profit increased on 34%. We had very successful investment in marketing, and our expected income increased on 84% and exceeded 120 million. Unfortunately, we failed to increase customer satisfaction this year, but going to work hard to increase it by the end of 2024. In 2023, we started a new project, kiseki.com. This project for Japanese market. Japanese market is very important for us. As Dmitry mentioned, it's third market for Match.com. This is third largest economy in the world. And we created fully localized product for Japanese market with real-time AI-based translation. Now we translate all text communications and working on translate voice communication. We have beautiful office in Tokyo and a dedicated team that work on the project. Thank you for Dmitry Petronin and Kentahara. And Kentahara will tell you about this project more details later. Also in 2023, we started Elite Cupid project. It's a scam-free subscription-based service. Actually, scam and spam are very significant issues for subscription services, and look like that we actually successfully resolved this issue in this product. Now we have very good, very strong unit economics for the product and very promising growth rates. Anastasia Aslana will tell about this project later. Also, we have introduced sparse cryptocurrency on our main services. Now our clients can actually receive sparse when they use our services and spend them to enhance their user experience. We believe that this will help us to justificate high activity in our projects and improve reputation of our services. Also, agencies and content markets can quickly withdraw their commissions through cryptocurrency. And free members can spend sparks on benefits in our services. So for free members, now we have freemium model, not free. I believe Anver and Andrei will tell more about this a bit later. Also, video service team has introduced VR chats on dating.com. So if you have VR set like MetaQuest, not Dmitry have, so you may actually enjoy completely new level of communication experience. So I believe Vladimir Silin will tell more about this later. So for 2024, we have quite ambitious targets. We are going to be focused on increasing profitability, as Dmitry said. So we are going to increase net profit on 25%, expected income on 44%, revenue on 14%, and we are going to achieve 3+ mark in customer satisfaction by the end of the year. In 2023 and 2024, we are going to find an acquisition target in the Japanese market. This should be a subscription-based service with turnover about $50 million. We believe that acquiring such a company will help us to speed up our Japanese extension. And we would like to achieve the same synergy as we have now with Cupid Media. Also, we are going to start 2 new products in for CP model. One is elite, what's for elite segment. Second, woman targeted. And we believe that this will help us to increase our marketing activities significantly. Also, we are going to start SergeevAlexander Cupid product. It's would be a scam-free subscription-based service like Elite Cupid, but targeted for mature audience. Also, we will continue to develop AI-based communication facilitation services that will help our clients to overcome obstacles in communications and make their communication experience more enjoyable. And we have very complex task to move Cupid Media services from cold fusion to a modern new technology platform. So that's our plans. So Yaroslav Sergeev will continue with more details about communication platform and Anastasia family.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you, Oleg. So let's stop talking about digits and start talking about something inspiring, about doing something interesting. So as Oleg told, we're going to scale horizontally and vertically. Horizontally, it means that we're going to launch something that we already have, but somehow we need to make more. So this slide is about horizontal new launches. We are going to launch even 3 new CP projects. The first one will be generic Bumble niche service, because we need to substitute Facebook banned dating.com in terms of marketing channels. The second one will be elite niche. We were inspired the success of elite Cupid project, and we want to make something same with the great LTV and maybe low conversions to substitute this niche in CP. And the third one will be most interesting and inspiring, I guess. We want to make fully AI-generated content project based on CP platform. It would be something same like Once right now or EVI, but based on CP platform to diversify holding risks while working on the creation of AI instruments and implementation them into communication channels and content generation channels. And talking not about projects, we're going to launch new languages because we have a great case for Kiseki that we can launch new language interface, even don't have native speaking free members. So, for example, we can launch French interface, use AI instruments to translate all the communications between, for example, Latin free members and French-speaking clients. It's not a problem, so we're going to do it. In terms of vertical scaling, we are going to improve customer satisfaction. Now we have a lot of problems with it because our customers are not happy with our prices, with our content somehow, and etc., etc. We have a lot of data collected during the last year, but we did not so much, and we're going to do much better in this year. Also, we are planning a lot of UX improvement. The first of all, it will be focused on mobile first experience of our projects. The second one, it will be paywalls working on UI and pricing experiments. Viktoria Ismailova later will talk about it in details. And also we are going to create a lot of AI instruments to improve communication and content of our services. It's more not about just create some AI persons who will communicate themselves, but it's more about some copilot services that will help to communicate our free members and clients on current services, but not to substitute them by robots. And the third one, but also very interesting, it's hard to believe, but dating market is not such big as other markets, digital markets like gaming and entertainment. And we also want to move our current social discovery and dating products more to entertainment niche to make them grow faster by adding some features that are typical for entertainment markets. The first one will be NFT collections of content and VR space that will be talked by Vladimir next to me. But first of all, let's take mic for Alex. And he will talk.
Yeah. Thanks. Thank you, Yaroslav. So we've seen these numbers already, and as you know from the previous slides, all of our goals have been achieved. And we witnessed the huge growth, like explosive growth from 2021, and our goal is to continue this trend. And this significant growth is helping us to solidify our position on the market. And if we want to map the competitors to the landscape based on the revenue and the growth rate, we would be, the SDG would be positioned into the leaders quadrant, just next to the companies such as Match Group and Bumble. But however, our growth rate are significantly higher, so we are like higher on this axis. And this helps us to move even like further closer to the competitors, and in a few years we'll be really close to them. Our previous competitors such as Barano, Genesis and Spark Networks are far behind because their revenue and growth rate is stagnating. And at the other side, some small products in terms of revenue such as Pure, Field, Replica and Raya are growing much faster than us, and we are looking carefully and launching competitive products in SDG Lab. What's the secret sauce behind this explosive growth? Well, I think that one of the key factors is also that we are using AI-driven marketing strategy. Starting with data, we are using sophisticated data-driven attribution, which was built by Research Center, which identifies which channels we need to invest in a smart way. Moving to the channels, we are using comprehensive ML predictions for our optimizations. Again, like Research Center and Google, our biggest partner, helped us to implement this. We started using AI and text generation like a few years ago, and last year we expanded our experiments to the AI images, AI localization, and even videos. And lastly, it's not enough just to acquire the user. You need to also onboard him and keep him using the product. That's why we're using ML and AI technologies in our Terra, which is landing pages project, in our retention, and for cross-promotion. Our products are designed to connect people, and that's why in our marketing creatives we heavily use images of other people. Up to now, we've been utilizing a lot of free members' profiles, photos, and stock images. But this takes a lot of resources, and sometimes we had to delete those images, let's say if free member doesn't want us to use this anymore. And to solve this problem, we start testing AI generation. And I want to say that AI revolution is really fast. So if in April of 2023, images were pretty good, but slightly artificial, back to September, you could hardly understand if it's a real photo or not. It's really realistic. I'm going to back one slide. So there are like small details, but they are really like visible with a careful look. But our journey doesn't stop here, and we decided to not stop on static images and start experimenting on video creation. Let's have a look at the first video.
If you're single, stop scrolling. I just found the dating platform that you need to check out.
This is an original video which was created by one of like external creators. It's a real person, and it was performed really good in the US market. And to expand it to the other market, it was really hard because we could use either subscription like subtitles or completely like change it, finding another creator for that. And to localize it to get like higher CTRs, we decided to use AI tool.
If you're single, stop scrolling.
I need
Die
an
dating-platform
audio.
gefunden, die du brauchst. Ich bin ein Feuerwehrmann aus Indianápolis. Estou pronto para relacionamento sério. O dating.com y esta plataforma me abrió un nuevo mundo de citas. Encuentra el amor en dating.com. 나는 약속해 너는 오래 독신아니 될 거야.
So this is a very good example of how AI could translate in real time. So it's so basically we took one example of the video and automatically translated it to every language you want to, and it decreases our costs. Time to market is about 5 minutes, and CTRs are even higher than it was before. Also, I want to talk a little bit about landing pages. So at some point, I figured out that we are using about like 500 of landing pages at the same time. And this strategy was really successful because for every channel and sometimes for even some kind of like target audience, we were using very different landing pages to optimize conversion rate to registration. And yeah, it was wonderful. We've been experimenting a lot. We've been like changing those landing pages a lot. But after starting experimenting and figure out that some images are working well, or we need to, or if we wanted to change the registration process, we faced the problem that after the successful experiment, we had to change, let's say, registration process on all of those 500 landing pages. To change that, we created, with Martech team, we created a new tool, which we call Hypertune. Basically, it's artificial like smart landing page, which incorporates a lot of landing pages at the same time, and intelligently identifies what type of like image or text to show to a particular user. That's a very like nice example of how it works. So for now, we've run an experiment before the new year. We had 3 landing pages with different images. The green line, like blue line, and red one lines are showing, representing those landing pages with different images. And exactly during the New Year's like period, one of landing pages started booming, and it was the exact landing page we created for the new year. So it was done automatically without like any management from our side. And just after the new year, it started getting less impressions because conversion rate dropped. So people were not responsive to the New Year's creative. And yeah, that's it from my side. I just want to like sum up that we are using AI technologies a lot, and I think that that's a big step in our in our marketing strategy, which helps us to grow even faster. Thank you. Next.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sasha. My name is Nathalia Sergeeva. I'm product owner of Core Mobile Apps. Let's start with the numbers. Currently, our apps is 15. It's Android and iOS apps. Last year, we've added 3 new apps to our family. We generate about 20% of revenue and spends of all CP. Today, I would like to highlight some key changes and success stories that happened in our apps during last year. In the middle of the year, we launched Profile Boost in our iOS apps. We have some limitation in sending invitation in iOS apps, and Profile Boost became our way to overcome this limit. Those who use Boost shows higher PPU and spend more. We also tested 2 types of discounts on first usage of the Boost, 70% and 100%, I mean completely free. And guess what? 70% discount won, showing more spends of these users. Those who are willing to pay more, even a little from the start, are more willing to pay more later on. Boost became new extra value in an updated subscription in DateMage iOS app. We have to put higher price tag on this subscription, but we're not able just to do that. For reduced risk of Apple, we need to justify higher price. So we added extra value of 3 free profile boost and 1 free virtual gift. New subscription was launched in beginning of November, and so far the results are quite impressive. We see higher PPU and jaw dropping 40% of renewals, and the users actually use these features that we added to subscription. Another interesting change happened in our Android apps. We replaced 3 bright bold buttons to just 1 on our paywall page and got 13% more first sales. This project showed us that even small changes can lead to a great effect. We are looking ahead of 2024. We will continue design updates of our apps, focusing a lot of paywalls and other conversion screens. We also want to make a bit different interfaces in dating.com and DateMage apps. Well, they have different audience, so it's quite relevant. We'll also focus in making some unique user points of interest, like celebrating match anniversary or top match of the day. So make a user experience more joyful, more playful, a bit gamified, so we'll user more attached to our apps. And of course, some ambitious marketing scale initiatives are on our agenda. We are not just growing, we are evolving. And finally, I would like to thank my team, Mobile Core team. Without them, there will be no content for this presentation. Thank you, and passing microphone to Viktoria.
Thank you, Nathalia. My name is Viktoria Birukovich, and I'm a deputy head of Partner Account Management Department. So our department main goals are to provide the necessary amount of content and to increase content's quality. We are proud to say that in a world of dating, we have the most unique content. Why? We provide our clients with immediate response. If our client is shy or indecisive, our free members will take the initiative and make it almost impossible for the clients not to react. We can safely say that we are making the world a less lonely place. Due to the high quality profiles of our free members and their proactivity, every minute we have more than 1,000 successful chats happening. As we speak, 21 video chats will have taken place. 84 photos or videos will have been sent, and 29 new couples will have been created. We provide high diversity in our database and encourage proactivity among our free members. So let's have a look at this slideshow. And here you can see how diverse our free members can be and how they can stand out of the crowd. Thank you. Every interaction on our website is authentic, and this is the key value that our clients receive. Now, how did we enhance this value last year? We improved communication with partners by implementing a CRM system to ensure quality control within our team. A new verification process of our free members even more detailed with the help of video chat without even leaving CP. So this is also give us an opportunity to get direct feedback from our free members. This year, we plan to improve our clients' experience by integrating more, even more new technologies. We want AI to continue to assist our free members to create interesting letter drafts. As a result, this is enabled to prolong the communication in the couple. To add AI tips in chat, which will help us to liven up the communication. And of course, we are continue to improve the quality of our products. AI models will determine in a second all violators and automatically inform our partners. We've given our free members an opportunity to use partners' account balances for gift giving, while we're also giving clients an opportunity to receive bonuses for those gifts. So this year, our goal is to engage more users in this activity and to enhance business transparency and to earn the trust of our clients in free members. And of course, we are continuing to make the world a better place. And every year we're helping create more and more new happy couples. So here is a quick glimpse of at some of our recent success stories. Okay, thank you very much.
Hi everyone, haven't seen you for ages. And then let me remind you that my name is Tanya. I'm the head of customer success department. Success is a key word here. And I'd like to share with you the results and plans of the CSD team. So you can see here two basic metrics we use to measure our effectiveness. The first and the main one is retained customers. It indicates how many customers continue using our services after they contacting customer success department. Means how many of them continue purchasing and spending credits. So in 2023, we retained 41% of the clients. And don't let this number to discourage you. Let me remind you that that's one of the most frequent requests is to terminate account. Just some of our clients cannot afford the prices. And it is possible to retain customers even if they find the services expensive. And that's why 41% is a good result. And it is above the plan and higher which we have last year. The second metric is customer satisfaction rate. It's a percentage of customers who are satisfied with the quality of the support provided by the team. So, and you can see the comments of customers which they leave after contacting the customer success team. 75% is a good result, but not outstanding one. That's why in 2024, we will improve it. So let's move on. Key factors. How did we manage to be on the required level and above? First, thanks to to the team of customer caring experts, CSD agents, whose philosophy is to fulfill clients' needs and meet their expectations and be extremely caring and make our clients happy. We constantly collaborate with partners department in terms of specific issues, difficult ones, when our clients face with kind of problems while communicating with other members. And we measure the retention rate of those clients who faced with troubles with other members. And in 2023, we retained 84% of those clients. It's a great result, again, in terms of type of requests. We resolve. And more than that, it goes along with the fact that the average number of complaints decreased since the beginning to the end of 2023. Apart from the main support team, we have two dedicated teams. Wales team, sorry for the small mistake here, looks after the potentially higher paying clients. Higher in comparison with the rest of the database. We lovingly call them whales, these clients. This team indicates the reasons these clients join the sites, monitors their experience, and proactively prevent any kind of negative situations, again, experience which these clients may face with. And in 2023, due these teams' efforts, the service consumption volume is 3% above the prediction. Payments team launched last year, focuses specifically on the clients with payment issues. And this focus led us to grow the conversion rate from 28 to 68%, means that 68% of clients who are experiencing troubles with payments and address their concerns to customer success team successfully make the payments. And also we use AI technologies, customer support board. In 2023, we managed to grow the coverage rate from 25 to 45%. It means that nearly half of the requests which we receive from clients via chat are answered by board. Shortly about targets for 2024, we plan to retain 44% of the customers who address their concerns to customer success team. From year to year, we challenge ourselves in terms of retention. The customer satisfaction rate should be not less than 85%. We have an area to improve and we will do our best. AI customer support bots will cover 60% of messages that we will receive. And the third item is closely connected with the previous one. Of course, to use AI bots successfully, we need to motivate the clients who come to customer support to use active channels of communication. So that's why thus we will be able to use AI technology and to cover the most parts of the messages and to focus on the difficult cases or specific groups of clients. And at the end of my speech, I would like to share with you just 3 examples of the feedbacks of the customers about our products, just to remind you that we as a company make great products and offer great services. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Can you leave the slide for just a few seconds?
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Alexander Karasev. I am head of UX.
Thank you.
Sorry.
I just wanted to make sure that everybody read it because this is kind of inspiring part. Can you show it back?
What do you say?
Uh,
No.
like, yeah, a few more seconds. Please.
Sorry. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, my name is Alexander Karasev. I am head of UX UI department. And welcome to the future of design with our innovative solution. embodying the art of artificial intelligence. Our AI algorithms don't just create designs; they draw inspiration from your style and anticipate trends for shape unique concepts. Forget about compromises between quality and speed. We offer the perfect blend of both. And now let my digital counterpart show you a short video illustration how we harness AI in design.
Hi everyone, I am Alexander Karasev, head of the UX UI department. In our department, we have a creative design group in charge of all the visual creative stuff within our company. Static, motion design, web design, event design, and visuals for various occasions. The group has been learning and utilizing AI tools in all work areas for over a year. Even I am the generated copy of Alexander. Technology is evolving rapidly, and we are very excited about the opportunities that open up every day. Voice generation, music,
Hey everyone, Merry Christmas.
logos, photographs, illustrations, face swapping, animations, and even language translation. The creative team already uses all of this daily. Welcome to the future of creative processes. All you need to do is imagine.
Yeah, thank you. I think this video a good demonstration of what we do. And next part, localization. We made in 2023 Spanish UI content for all CP. Don't just only UI, we translate all content. And Kiseki has been launched and localization in Japanese with after translation. And we want, let's do in 2024, we plan to localize CP products into 2 additional languages to reach more customers and exchange communication with clients from the other countries. I think maybe this language, French, maybe Chinese, I don't know it's now. And next part, UX. We made in 2023 implement of OpenAI in the letter services and chat tips to improve the quality of communication with the clients and research on this of correspondence contacts. And we have let's plans in 2024. We're adopting mobile first strategy, considering that the shape of mobile traffic already consult is 90% and continue to grow. Our goal to change the user experience of mobile devices started from the first interaction. We plan to redesign K conversation page, incorporate illustration, interfaces, animation, and focus to improving the overall visual user experience. And additionally, we will different DC and DMA application, providing each with a unique design and UX to avoid design clutter. And that's it. Thank you very much. And next, yeah, Viktoria Ismailova.
Thank you, Sasha. Hello, I'm a Chief Data Officer of Core Products. My name is Viktoria Ismailova. Let's start with my slides. We have a lot of tasks in the work, and today I will tell you about the most significant of them. One of them is the recommendation system. It's a machine learning algorithm which help our clients to find the most appropriate partners and increase the chance to find a perfect match in our services. It's based on the user's behavior, and we continue to develop this system for several years. Last year, we transitioned it from the offline mode to the real-time mode. Now it reacts on the online interactions with the content from our clients. For example, client click on a profile, view profile, start chat messaging, and according to all of them, our recommendation system will react immediately and updates it recommendations using this information of preferences of our clients. According to the current experiment, we see that our clients prefer this recommended content, we have more couples. These couples continue to communicate longer, and but right now this algorithm works just in the grid. This year we are going to extend the system to the first messages in invites and letters. Also, this year we are going to include in the recommendation system the regular clients. We have regular clients in the grid at our project Date.com and Date My Age. We are going to manage the proportion according to clients' attributes. And of course, we will make our system smarter and consider more factors to make better recommendations. One more thing I have to say is that the current service could be integrated with every our product. So the next our interesting project is the attribution model. The goal is to increase the efficiency of our traffic acquisition and reach our audience in the most relevant channels for them. Last year, we updated our attribution model and increased the efficiency by 6%. Also, we started a huge product for Cupid Media products and SDG core products. Now it works, it's calculated, but we work together with the Cupid Media team. Thank you very much, guys, for your assistance and help to implement it for this cross-holding format. We expect uplift in this project for 5-10% in the efficiency. Also this year we are going to work with a very interesting project of pre-attribution of returning customers. Right now we don't have any tool to estimate better the campaigns which work for remarketing. We'd like to make some changes in our algorithm. In simple words, if a client comes to our services after attribution window and makes a sale, we will consider it like a first sale again, and this will help us to work with churn clients with more efficiency. Expected uplift of this project is about 12%. One more exciting project is Chat Copilot. Our goal is to provide to our clients more meaningful communication and more valuable service. And of course, we want to help our members, I mean clients, both clients and free members, to establish and continue contact. We'd like to influence the setup and the development of the dialogue in every couple and every stage. At the first stage, of course, now we are working with the first messages from free members. We'd like to make them personalized and higher the conversion rate to establishment of connection. I expect that next week we will have a final vision how we are going to work with it. As for first chats, we have a ready-made model to understand the most appropriate topics for a couple. And using this model, we are going to generate the pre-written texts in chats, which could be sent by user with just a click. Nearly the same we are going to do with the next chats, but of course, considering the history of communication. And one more project which could be interesting, it's prices customization. The goal is provide our services for different user segments at a price that suits them and which is appropriate to the market. Last year we proposed a pricing methodology which depends on the client's geography and so-called palm ratio coefficient, and the knowledge about the expenditure share on entertainment. Palm ratio is very interesting coefficient. It shows the ratio between the income of the richest category in the country and the poorest category in the country. As our services are premium, we would like to adapt our prices to the richest one. Working with this project, we uncovered very interesting insights. For example, for the USA market, we see that our prices are underestimated for 2-3 times. And for some countries like India, where there is a huge gap between the richest and poorest people, we have to increase the prices twice at least. This year we are going to conduct the experiment with this geographical customization. Expect revenue uplift is about 4%. And after that, we are going to dig deeper in the segmentation, considering gender, age categories, and so on. As a result, we expect that 45-year-old American male will pay more than a 20-year-old Indonesian female. That's all from my side. Thank you very much, everybody who helps us to provide these results. And thank you very much to my team, the best team. I love you very much. Thank you.
Hi, colleagues. My name is Vladimir, and today I want to talk about video chat Teams result. Last year was good for us. We did better than our goals in both revenue and free cash flow plan. This result have been reached because of many little and big changes, but I think the major is then we made connection times much faster. Right now, when a customer click start video chat, it connects in about 2 seconds, and we plan to improve this result to 1 second this year. Now let me share with you our plan, which will help video service grow. We have been working on speech-to-text feature. This feature helps the couple to communicate with each other with no language barrier. When customers is speaking, our system listens to the speech and automatically translate it to the language of the partner. This makes talking easier and better. Right now we're stabilizing this feature on BAM products, and after that, as soon we implement it to CP products and any integrated products. We also adding ChatGPT to our video chats. We think when customers meet for the first time in video chat, they often don't know what to say. To test this idea, we decide to use ChatGPT to give hints during the chat. This helps us guide the customers in their conversations and make video chat session longer. Let's watch brief video how it looks. It's so simple. Okay, next. In 2023, we added feedback feature to CP products. This way we can reach our customers and adjust the service in accordance with their needs. We already have some results, and in 2024 we plan to improve the speed of our reaction to the customer's feedback. Like Oleg already said, we actively developing VR technology. This technology is already implemented on dating.com. Right now we're looking for the best special VR cameras for our content makers. Finding, buying, transferring rights cameras, it's the most difficult task for us. We have a lot of problems with it, but of course we will resolve of problem. Let's watch brief video how it works. Okay, finally, we are adding video chat model to Anastasia family products and expect a result in the first quarter of 2024. This is just a brief reminder that video chat is a separate model and can be integrated in any product of the holding. Thank you.
Are we missing somebody? No, right? Everybody already spoke. Thank you very much. First of all, guys, I wanted to tell you that you